1.
Create a working outfit. If you don't know how,
find that in the description.
2.
Select parts you want to be invisible. Press P. Separate them. On EA Mesh, select Scene. Check Type is Geom. Check Numbers are 0. On Split Mesh, check Type is Geom. Make Cut +1. Save.
3.
In Sims 4 Studio, create 3D Mesh. CAS. Type Nude. Pick an appropriate one. Save in Mod. On your texture, turn down the opacity on the portion you want to be invisible. Save as PNG.
4.
In Sims 4 Studio, import Mesh. Import Diffuse. Warehouse. On the top geometry, duplicate. Change first 2 numbers to 11. Redo for all geoms. CAS part. Locate LODs. Edit items. Level 0. LOD models. Edit items. Copy. Change the first 2 numbers of group to 11. Save and repeat for all. Save when done.
5.
On region map, edit items. Under model, edit items. Repeat copy and 11 task for all of them too. Save when done.
6.
On duplicated geometry, data. Shader, sim glass. Repeat for all. Re-import mesh. Done! Yes, I do the blender bits in Maya first.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.